Good morning from Amed. We decided that it's a time to move into our dive center completely. So when we moved out from the previous place, our sinks, we moved to the one storage room. And working from home is great. You don't have to go somewhere, but then you become kind of lazy. And that's why it's not really best working atmosphere in the world. So that's why we trying to move all the things back into the new place, so that every morning I can come to the work, make my coffee, start working, just because it's more productive. We call all the guys today. Everybody came, so now we're jumping in a car, going to the place, loading everything up, and then loading everything out in this place. Guys will cut the trees, the branches. It's like an umbrella, but if you don't cut the top, so then it's going up, and it finally is like, it doesn't make that good shadow, because when you cut the branches, so then it makes like a umbrella shape. We're always trying to create ideal working space, like that's what we always starting with. And it's kind of interesting actually, because we have this illusion that if we will have perfect working space, so then all the things will go better. Of course, for me it's really important to have a perfect working space. When we still lived in Latvia, this first thing I did when we built the house was my office. I made a perfect office so I can sit there and work. But finally, that didn't work at all. I was working from home, and everybody was bothering me actually there. Even the dogs, they constantly wanted to walk. They came to my office, they started schooling and that stuff, and I wasn't able actually to focus at all. Finally, I rented an office in the city, and woke up every morning 6 o'clock, walk with my dogs. Later on around 7 I left home to go to the office and work there. Peaceful, nice, quiet. There is this silver line actually, because if you invest in a nice office and then you think that the people will come to it, it's not the same. Actually, people more care about your service than about your beautiful office. That's why always start working, and only then when you earn the money, then only you make your office. That's a kind of really wrong thing. I've been going personally through these things. Investing money in a good office or good dive center or something else, why finally no one is really coming in anyways, because they don't know you. If you have a long list of the clients, and then you do all these things because you already earned some money from your services you're offering, so then it's okay. Okay, we'll go and help the guys carrying branches. tree looks a little bit naked, but in a couple of months it will be full of new branches again. We decided that we will cut more often, like every 2 months, so that the mate can form like a nice umbrella. It's a nice shadow, so you can put all the chairs under the tree and enjoying the view to the ocean. So that's our plan. This place is just like, I don't know, it's like when you are here, you just, all you can do is just stare at this ocean, and then just like, you just find out that you've been staring to the ocean for another 10 minutes and do nothing. So, but it's super relaxing place. Komang just came back from the fishing. He says no big fish. We put aside. This is the next generation of the fishermen. They are not carrying the boats out on their shoulders anymore. They're using the latest technologies